All right, on the glacier. This was scary, really scary. And yeah, let's see how long it will take us to get down. It will be a long day.
People come and people go through high streets we know. Dark and light, day and night. No one knows what the future will bring. All or nothing. Gotta mean something when you're misunderstood. Gotta mean something when you're up to no good.
Welcome to 21 in 21. My name is Maximilian Giel. I'm an alpine photographer, and right now I'm here in the Jungfraujoch at 3,500 meters, and we started the project today, trying to go for the Hinter Fiescherhorn, which I haven't climbed. Just about the project. Many Swiss people have a lifetime goal to climb all the 4,000 meter peaks, and last year, due to Corona, I focused a little bit on them and climbed 18 in a row, and I climbed some more in the years before. So right now I've climbed 27 of the 48 Swiss 4,000 meter peaks, and my goal is to climb the missing 21 4,000 meter peaks in 21. So the project is called 21 in 21, and it's all about sharing good days out with amazing people. Today I'm sharing the track with Damian, which also is a photographer and an amazing mountaineer. We're a little bit early in the season, to be honest, and we will have to break the trail, but if everything works out well, it will be a really amazing ski tour, and yeah, hopefully amazing skiing. So I think that's it about it. There will be an episode for every one of the tours. On some tours I will link up some 4,000 meter peaks, but I will do probably another introduction video about the whole project. And right now let's enjoy the scenery, and I'll catch you up later. So, approaching the Mammut hut. There, the Jungfrau run, and we go over there. Windy, just a bit. Now we are here at the Mammut hut. It's up there. We ripped our skins up, down, and now we ski over there. Yeah, about 400 vertical meters down, and then we skin up to the Fiescher Sattel. So let's see how this is.
Sky high, busy life, I wanna live.
we cruised down the Ewig Schneefeld from up there, and now we're skinning up. Up there's the Großgrünhorn, and there's the Hinter Fiescherhorn, which is our goal for today. We're gonna go over there, then by foot to the saddle up there, Fiescher saddle, and then to the right up to the top.
The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water, wicked drowning water. I don't wanna be less than I can be. Waterfalls wash me and cleanse me. The wicked drowning water, let go wicked water, wicked drowning water.
Dressed up, got the crampons, and now we go up there. Normally the route goes over there, but there's the track, so we take this one. We're now at 3,840 meters, so it's about 100 meters steep up, and then over there to the summit.
No. Pretty Caroline, oh, 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 stone cold stunner. She was a winner, started working at the dine. Oh, 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 searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair, put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the ugly truth, how they come in for you. Yeah, yeah, no. Don't you think you're better off where the neighbors don't stare? Maybe you're wanted, looking good for the movie screens, living in make-believe, hoping your wishes get granted. I know you're never giving up unless it's real.
Alright, Mammut Swiss, 4,040 meters. Alright, check that, and we go on.
Stone cold stunner, she was a winner, started working at the dime. Searches of her mind to count your blessings, 'cause it's telling fair, put you down and leave you there, don't make them scared. Yeah, it's the
Back at the skis, like here, we're gonna upsail down there and go over there. Probably half an hour we should be on the top, and yeah, this will be a long day. Oh, here we go. Alright, Hinter Fiescherhorn. Last year, not that simple and super windy, but yeah, I hope we can get down there. When we are down there, it's getting a little bit easier. A little bit scared, to be honest. Was nicht? Was? Huh? So, there's the hut, Fiescherhorn hut over there. That's the Fiescherhorn, Grünhorn, and we ski there on the right hand side. And yeah, probably won't be a track, but yeah, we will make it. We made it to a fish. We're a little bit worked, just a bit. It's been a long day in really beautiful landscapes. We decided to climb both Fiescherhörner, even though we both have climbed already the Ghost Fiescherhorn, but yeah, we just climbed it, and also the Hinter Fiescherhorn, and the descent was probably one of the most scariest descents I ever had on skis. An immense glacier, really huge, and so much fresh snow. But we had a track on the watch. This helped really a lot. And yeah, I'm really looking forward. What's next to come on this project? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Also, check out him, Mr. Damian Göldi on Instagram. Totally recommend that. And also, for sure, my Instagram. And if you subscribe to this channel, I'll keep you posted. There will be a lot of more videos about the 21 in 21. And now I wish you a wonderful evening.